Hi, welcome back to His and Her Reviews. And Robert, what are we going to be reviewing today? Or trying?
Well, we're gonna try to make up a pumpkin spice spicy hot wing sauce
His idea, not mine.
inspired by you. So I thought up a way to do this, and then I kind of diverged in two different ways, and end up being three different ways. So I figure we're gonna try a couple ways. First, I'm gonna use this here is powdered sugar. Go ahead and add that. For the first one we're gonna make, it's gonna be really more like a donut, icing on a donut, more so than your typical. And then this is with heavy whipped cream. You could use milk or whatever. Just a little splash in there. So basically, what we're making with these two things, powdered sugar and cream, is we're just mixing them together and making a glaze. Like literally a donut glaze. Yeah, this is the first one I dreamt up. So, I don't know if anybody else has ever made a pumpkin spicy chicken wing sauce. This is where we're going to start. This is going to be the star of all of the shows. That's pumpkin spice, a little one here by McCormick. Or Tones, never mind. Looks like McCormick. And I'm just going to add this until it looks like it's incorporated enough to the right color, just by play it by eye to make it look like it's probably going to be pumpkin spicy. It's kind of got a brownness to it, light brown, maybe a little tad more. We'll put in there. So I would say I used about a tablespoon of powdered sugar, half of that amount about half of that of heavy whipping cream. So 2 parts powdered sugar, 1 part pumpkin spice, and 1 part heavy whipping cream, but you can use milk or anything else, milk or anything like dairy, half and half. And then I don't want this just to be pumpkin spice. I want to have a little bit of spiciness to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add crushed red pepper. So we're just going to add a few of those.
Not too spicy.
I shook it a lot, barely any came out. So I think that looks pretty good. There's some stuff in there. Hopefully that'll give it a little bit of kick. And we'll set that aside. That'll be the first one we'll try. Now the second thing originally I thought about was butter, mixing that with cream. And then my alternate to that I thought up was I would use, this is just plain yogurt. It says here how to pronounce it. It's pronounced Fage. I hate how that is doesn't show. See there, it says pronounce Fage, because if you pronounce it the way it's spelled, YouTube channel will probably get canceled, I'm sure. But I've seen these people, I didn't know they had yogurt. I thought it was called creme fraiche or whatever they had. I thought it was like a different type of heavy whipping cream. Maybe it is. Maybe I just don't know that much about it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just use another top to this. Oh, we're really protecting this stuff. Just a spoonful. 2 spoonfuls, because we're not mixing this with anything. Only thing I'm adding to this is pumpkin spice. So I'm going to make it a pumpkin spice flavored yogurt. Just mix that around until it looks like it's got a good color consistency that's going to deliver the pumpkin spice flavor to you. A little bit more. I put about a half a teaspoon in there. And then this one I'm going to spice it up. Use a little Tabasco. This is Chipotle Tabasco sauce. So just going to add A couple dashes of that. Give it some sort of a heat. We'll mix this up here. That'll be our number 2. It doesn't look as quite as appealing as the first one, I gotta tell you. Well, maybe, who knows? It smells alright.
I'm not convinced.
We'll see.
I'm not a huge fan of plain Greek yogurt, so
Yeah.
doesn't have the nicest taste to it.
And then the third one, I'll link it, but we just use Walmart wings, dry rub. That's the wings we make, and then we generally just throw away the dry rub. Occasionally, I get the Cajun because occasionally I will use it. That one's pretty good. I'll link a thing. You can see our video that we originally made. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use that packet. I'm going to sprinkle about, I don't know, half a tablespoon or a teaspoon of it in there. And then I'm just going to mix that in dry with the pumpkin powder. Somewhere around 50-50. I'm just going to mix those two up a little bit. They're dry, so this will be a pumpkin spice dry rub. So now we're going to make some wings, and we're going to put them in these and test them out and see if we made anything worth eating.
I'm not convinced yet, but we'll see it when we get back.
Alright, we're back, and I made ourselves some stuff. The first one's here. We're going to try the donut glaze, and then we got the yogurt ones, and then the dry powder. You can see those. Alright. So we got that there. Are you ready?
I guess.
Are you excited?
No.
So the first one is the one where we made with the powdered sugar and the heavy whipping cream, and then we combined the pumpkin spice with a little bit of crushed red peppers. So this will be the first one. This is one actually I think might be the best. So we'll start here. You ready?
Sure.
What do you think? I like it.
I mean, it's not something I would want to eat again, but it's not bad.
I think that was pretty good. I could probably add a couple more crushed peppers. It wasn't really too hot. Oh, there you go. Feel it after. Well, you eat the whole thing, so it must be better than not. That was pretty good. Next one's the scary one, I think.
Yeah, if I say this is the best chicken wing I've ever had in my life, can I not eat the second one?
No, you gotta try it. So this is the one where we use yogurt, Fage yogurt.
Oh,
I did add a little extra sugar, so
I feel like this is gonna give me an upset stomach.
let's take one bite if you don't like it. You don't have to eat the whole thing. Is that good? Let me try. Alright. Let me try this one. We'll have to edit that out, I guess. No! Not a winner. Don't put yogurt on your chicken wings. You heard it here first.
It was disgusting.
Yeah, I didn't coat the whole chicken. I had a bad feeling. The rest of the chicken was good, though. Alright. So number 1, I think, was a thumbs up. Number 2 is a definite thumbs down.
Do not try the second one at home.
There you go. Third one, I don't know. I don't know if this is going to be good or bad or what. So this is, I just mixed the dry rub, Cajun dry rub, about 50-50 with pumpkin spice dry spice, and just kind of put it in there. I only put about half the chicken, so it wasn't like heavy. It's alright. It's different.
It seems like too salty and too seasoned. I don't know, it doesn't taste right to me.
Did you eat any of it?
Yeah, I did.
Be the judge if she tried it or not. Gotta have the chicken with the chicken wing
I did.
flavors. Well, what do you think now that you took a bite out of it?
I still don't like it.
Okay. Well, would you recommend the first one at all?
Sure, I mean, it was good. I mean, it wasn't bad. It was definitely the best out of the three.
Okay.
With the second being, I would not eat it again if I was paid to eat it.
Yeah, don't do that. Well, there's our chicken wings that we tried. If you try any of these, let us know. Or if you actually know a real pumpkin spice chicken wing sauce recipe, you can share it. Maybe we'll try that. But otherwise, that was it for us.
Yep, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in our next video. Bye.
Bye. You can call me Pumpkin Spice.
What are you doing?
Nothing?
Are you pretending to be a Chippendale dancer named Pumpkin Spice again?
No.